Are you ready to kickstart your programming journey, but worried about how expensive courses are? In this video, I will be sharing with you the best resources you can use to learn programming for free. I am Code with Dama, and I learn programming using free resources. These days, there are tons of information out there, and learning can be overwhelming, especially when you are unable to land your hands on the best resources out there that could make your journey very, very easy. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you platforms where you can learn programming, regardless of the level you are, whether you're a beginner or you're an intermediate level, or you are looking at advancing your skills. You can use some of this platform I would be listing out. So let's check it out. Now, the first on my list is Free Code Camp. As the name sounds, Free Code Camp, of course. It's a platform that offers programming training for free with levels from beginner to advanced, and then the content are well structured with learning videos and images to clearly explain the concept that you are learning. And of course, it is all for free. One good thing about Free Code Camp is the fact that the content are well arranged, and then you can follow them from the most simple to the most complex gradually while you build and practice. They also provide you with a platform where you can easily practice the skills you're learning. You write code there, you see the result, they give you tasks you try to solve, and then you meet up with the expectations. Next, we have the Code Academy. It is also another platform that provides students or learners with very good learning resources that you can learn programming skills for free. It's also just like the Free Code Camp. The resources are free and everything you learn there also for free. The content are well structured that you can follow them, of course, from the most simple to the most complex, regardless of the level of expertise you have. And we also have the Khan Academy. So the previous one was Code Academy, this one is Khan Academy. And this Khan Academy also provides you with learning resources. You can learn different programming skills there for different programming languages, for different levels, all available in Khan Academy. Still talking about the platforms, we have alternative platforms like W3 School that provide tons of learning resources in different languages, different frameworks, and for different skills. There are just a lot of them revolving around technology and around web development, app development, game development, whatever kind of programming you can think of. You can find those resources in W3 School. The content are well structured, and they also provide you with platform to always try out what you're learning. You get to break and make things, make changes, run, and then see the result of the changes you're making right there on the platform. And then the last on my list, though it's not like the list, is YouTube, which you're probably using right now to watch this video. Now, YouTube is also another very good platform where you can learn, but the only reason it is coming last on my list is because the content in YouTube are not always properly structured. So if you're lucky, you come across a playlist that the content are well arranged, then that is a good one. But in most cases, you are unlikely to find content that are very, very well structured that you can follow and say, okay, from a beginner stage, if you follow this content, it's going to take you all the way to advanced level. And if you're not so careful on YouTube, you can fall into what we call the tutorial hell, where you keep on watching video from one video to another, and without making any substantial progress in your learning skills. So you just keep on watching video, because programming videos are not the only thing there, and there can always be this temptation to switch from one video to another, and you never come back to finish up your learning. So this platform I have mentioned are not the only platform, of course, offering free content that you can learn from. There are tons of others, and of course, if you have some you would also want to suggest, you can do well to drop it at the comment section for other people to also view and then get free learning resources. Now, we also have platforms like Udemy and Coursera, but the courses in this platform are not free, even though you can get a few of them. There are times where Udemy run promotion and you can get courses for very, very cheap price, and some even for free. But the issue is you might not know when some of these courses are on promotion or even free. While for Coursera, you can request for waiver, that is that you can write and request for scholarship so that some of these courses can be awarded to you for free instead of paying to use the course. And it can be challenging to have a well-structured roadmap, and that's why I would be dropping this last platform, which happens to be roadmap.sh. Now, this platform provides you with detailed roadmap for different programming languages and different frameworks, as well as different infrastructures around programming. They provide you with all of the components you need to learn from beginner level to advanced level. Everything is well structured, and it doesn't just stop there. They also provide you with links to where you can get all of the resources according to the levels that are provided, or according to how the resources are structured. So check out roadmap.sh and tell me what you think about the resources they are making available there. Also, like I said, if you have other free platforms that are very, very good for learning programming, you can drop them at the comment section so that other people can also benefit from this platform. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, and make sure you like this video, and I would see you on the next one.